Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Arby's red ranch sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here. I appreciate you joining us today. Like I said, we are going to be making Arby's red ranch sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. You got a half a cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 5 tablespoons of water, half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, as we always do, we're going to start out with a bowl that is big enough for all of our ingredients. So let's add our ketchup. I'm going to throw our water in next just to mix this up first, because once we get everything else in it might be a little bit difficult. So go ahead and mix this up. There we go. Then we're going to add our Worcestershire, our apple cider vinegar, and our garlic and onion powder. Last but not least, our salt. Go ahead and mix this up real well. There you go. We're going to get some chicken. We're going to be bold and use some chicken in this and not roast beef. So we're going to take pictures of this and then we're going to come back and taste it. Don't go away. Alright, this is definitely a beautiful sauce, very thin, a little thinner than most of the fry sauces we have, but this isn't a fry sauce. This was developed, I'm sure, for the roast beef sandwich, and I know it's getting a little bold to be using chicken. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and taste this. Pull apart our chicken strip, get our sauce on there. It does cling to it very well. Yep, it does have a lot of acidity from that apple cider and the ketchup. And I can see why it's for a roast beef sandwich. If you come here looking how to make this, don't let the fact that I'm using chicken discourage you. It's going to go good on beef. And I highly recommend it for beef, but I don't have beef, so I'm using chicken for this. But yeah, this was developed for the roast beef sandwich, and I can see it being very good on a roast beef sandwich because of the tomato ketchup and the acidity of the Worcestershire would bring out a lot of flavor that's good for beef. So yeah, it's only a couple variation different ingredients difference in this and the Arby's sauce. You go ahead and hit that button right there. It'll give you a direction to the Arby's sauce that I did a while back. And you can see both recipes. The recipe for this is in the description box or the first pinned comment. Arby's red ranch sauce. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to head over to my gourmet seasoning shop over on itsonlyfood.biz and check out all the deals I got going on over there. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.